Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's post-operative recovery. He's experiencing increased pain and swelling in his surgical wound.
Yes, Dr. Mihira. I've noticed that as well. He's also running a fever.
We need to assess the wound for signs of infection. Let's clean and dress it and monitor his vital signs closely.
I'll prepare the necessary supplies and notify the doctor if there are any significant changes.
We should also consider the possibility of a surgical site infection. If the wound appears to be worsening, we may need to administer antibiotics.
Should we order a wound culture to confirm the presence of infection?
That's a good idea. A wound culture can help identify the specific bacteria causing the infection, allowing us to prescribe the appropriate antibiotics.
Dr. Mihira, I'll coordinate with a laboratory to send a wound culture. Mihira, it's wonderful that you're already thinking about how to keep your mother active when she's home with your family. That support system will make a real difference. You're right, it's important to start gently and build up gradually. Encouraging her to exercise regularly, even in small amounts, will bring so many benefits. It'll help her regain strength in her legs and core, making her feel more stable and reducing the risk of falls, which I know is a big concern for you. Exercise can also increase her range of movement, making everyday tasks easier, like getting in and out of chairs or reaching for things. It can also improve her overall energy levels in the long run, even if she feels tired initially. Plus, it's good for her mood and general well-being. Thinking about appropriate activities, short, supported walks around a house or garden, perhaps with one of you beside her for reassurance, would be excellent to start with. As she gets stronger, these walks can gradually become a little longer. If she enjoys it and it's accessible for her, gentle swimming or water exercises can be fantastic as the water supports her weight, making it easier on her joints while still working her muscles. Even simple chair-based exercises, like leg raises and arm movements, can be beneficial if she's not feeling up to standing for long periods. The key is to find activities she enjoys and that she feels capable of doing, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time, and then slowly increasing the duration or intensity as she feels able. What other questions or concerns do you have at this point?